pesa el hueso. Este va a pesar un poquito más de la libra, este como libra y medio. Live and direct, Spirit of Texas Barbecue. This is how we're doing it right here on Let's Eat.
Well, you know how they say the camera adds 5 pounds? They're about to add about 20 after eating this. This is some good stuff.
Where we at? Where we at?
I'm San Bernardino, Spirit of Texas.
Oh, damn.
They got the spirit too.
Oh, damn.
Ribs are pretty good, nice and tasty. I'm going to try the pork in a minute. I'm going to swing it on to you, Adrian. What do you think about it?
This is really good food.